Hello, my dear students. From Value Education, we are going to listen to the explanation for lesson number 5, Patience and Tolerance. Now, patience means संयम ठेवणे and tolerance means सहनशीलता. Okay? So, learning martial arts. You must be knowing martial arts. Okay. A young boy wanted to learn martial arts. A very young boy, he wanted to learn it. So he went to the best teacher of martial arts, who was Zen teacher. He asked the teacher to make him the best in martial arts. Now he wants to train himself in martial arts. So he goes to the best martial art teachers, Zen teacher, and he tells him to make him best in it. So the Zen master asked, "Will you have the time to learn and will you make efforts to learn?" So the master in reply answered to the boy, "Will you have the time to learn the martial arts and will you make efforts to learn it?" The boy said, "How much time will be required?" म्हणजे किती वेळ लागेल मला हे मार्शल आर्ट्समध्ये बेस्ट होण्यासाठी. The Zen master said, 10 years. 10 वर्ष लागतील. The boy said, "I don't have so much time. माझ्याकडे एवढा वेळ नाही आहे. I want to learn it faster. मला लवकरात लवकर ते शिकायचे. And I will work twice as hard every day. मी दिवस रात्र मेहनत करेन आणि ही मार्शल आर्ट्स लवकरात लवकर शिकण्याचा प्रयत्न करेन." The Zen master said, "Then it will take 20 years." मग झेन मास्टर म्हणतात, मग तर तुला 20 वर्ष लागतील हे शिकायला. The boy said, "If I work day and night, then how much time will it take?" मी जर खूप मेहनत केली दिवस आणि रात्र तर मग किती दिवस लागतील? The Zen master said 30 years. Here you can say on each reply of Zen master he increases 10 years. Then the boy asked, "Why is it that every time I tell you that I will work hard, you increase the time for learning?" जेवढ्यांदा मी तुम्हाला प्रश्न विचारतोय की मी खूप मेहनत करेन, तसं तसं तुम्ही वर्ष माझ्या मार्शल आर्ट शिकण्याचा वाढवताय, असं का? The Zen master said, "Any achievement takes efforts." आपली जी पण उपलब्धी असती ती मिळवण्यासाठी आपल्याला प्रयत्न लागतात. But it also takes patience. पण त्यासोबत त्याच्या जोडीला आपल्याला संयम ठेवणं पण फार गरजेचं आहे. As it requires you to spend time to learn. जसं आपल्याला स्कूलमध्ये शिकण्यासाठी वेळ लागतो, आपण संयम ठेवून सगळं शिकलं पाहिजे, तसंच या मार्शल आर्ट्सचं पण आहे. This short story teaches us that hard work must be balanced with पेशन्स. आपले हार्डवर्क आपल्या संयमासोबत आपण बॅलन्स करायला शिकलं पाहिजे. द सेम इज विथ आवर स्कूल स्टडीज ऑर लर्निंग अ गेम ऑर लर्निंग हाऊ टू पेंट. Okay, so every hard work should be balanced with the patience, then only we can achieve it very very correctly. Now learning to be tolerant म्हणजे आपल्याला सहनशील कसं होता येईल हे आपल्याला शिकायला मिळतं मालती होलाच्या एक्झाम्पलमधून. शी वॉज स्ट्रक डाऊन बाय पोलिओ. मीन्स शी हॅड अ पोलिओ वेन शी वॉज यंग. जेव्हा त्या खूप लहान होत्या. शी स्पेंट ऑलमोस्ट 15 years in hospitals to get overcome to it or to get cure from polio. She has nearly spent 15 years of her life in the hospital and underwent 32 types of surgeries. म्हणजे ते बरं करण्यासाठी 32 सर्जरीज केल्या त्यांच्या 15 yearsमध्ये. शी डिसाइडेड टू टेक अप स्पोर्ट्स. दो शी वॉज ऑन द व्हीलचेअर, शी डिसाइडेड दॅट शी विल डू समथिंग वेल इन द स्पोर्ट्स ॲज अन ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह मेडिसिन टू क्युअर हर पेन, बिकॉज इट वॉज हर पॅशन that she wanted to be in the sport and she wanted to use sport as a alternative medicine for her to get cure. So with her patience म्हणजे त्यांच्या संयम ठेवल्याने and will power आपली स्वतःची आत्मशक्ती She has won over 300 medals. She has won 300 medals. She represented India in the Paralympics held in Barcelona, Beijing, Athens and South Korea. She represented our country in these countries for the Paralympics games. She was awarded the Arjuna Award also and Padma Shri for her achievement. She was awarded with the most renowned awards. She is one of the most inspiring sports personalities of our country. So it is very proud of our country that we got such a sportsman in our own country. She also works as a manager, not only in the sports, but she worked as a manager with Syndicate Bank and shelter 16 children with special needs. Means she takes care of nearly 16 special children, and she works in Syndicate Bank as a manager, and even she represented our India in Paralympics game. So this lesson teaches us that patience and tolerance always makes us successful. Listen to the video carefully, and next time we will try to discuss the question and answers. Till that time, be safe.